Are you stuck in your job and want to work part-time at home with your family? Do you want to make $50 to $100 per day easily by working remotely from home, and that will be a part-time job? If yes, then I can help you with that. In this video, I'll share a skill with you guys which you can use to earn up to $100 per day easily. So please keep watching this video till end. Don't skip it if you want to understand something. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. I'm Zain Ahmed from Easy Teacher at Fun YouTube channel, back again with another informative video. In this video, I'll help you guys to make up to $100 per day with the most killer skill which you can do part-time easily. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I would like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's get started. Now I'm gonna explain the skill. Basically, I'm talking about trading. In this case, you don't have to be a full-time trader. You can just do intraday trading part-time easily. Let me show you guys how it works and how you can do that. First of all, you have to log in Binance Exchange and TradingView. If you didn't sign up yet, then please check out the link from the video description below to join them. Okay, now we are at TradingView. In TradingView, we will proceed technical analysis. It's just super easy. If you got it, it will help you a lot to make accurate buy and sell signals. Let's click on charts. Let's watch XRP USDT Binance chart. We can customize this view easily. In TradingView, we can apply multiple indicators to understand chart pattern and make profitable signals. I'm using 4 EMA Indicator to understand the chart. EMA means exponential moving average. 4 EMA means 4 exponential moving averages. Through this indicator, we can watch candles moving average to get their moving pattern. Let me close it and open again for you guys. You can find it from indicators section like that. Write 4 EMA and you'll see it here, 4 EMA Philacon. Make it favorite for easy access next time. Okay, it has been applied. We can change the settings from here. I'm gonna change 55 EMA to red color because I like it in red color. Now I'm gonna change other colors into solid colors to make sure there's more visibility on the chart. Now currently we are in 4-hour chart and we normally use it to make mid-term signals out of them. You can buy them from the bottom and sell on top. I mean buy support and sell resistance. 4-hour chart is good if you want to hold any coin for at least 1 month, but we are here to make $100 per day, so we have to use 1 minute to 15 minute time frame on the chart for quick profits. I'm gonna apply 15-minute time frame on the chart. With 4 EMA, I can clearly see signals like where to buy and where to sell. Now, how I got it? Let me explain it with 4 EMA. Here we can see I applied 9, 13, 21 and 55 candles moving average. Whenever 55 EMA go down in 21, 13 and 9 EMA like that, it means there are short chances that price will go up.
And whenever 55 EMA cross above 21, 13 and 9 EMA, it means price will go down, as we can see it in live chart. So buy from this support level by watching EMA and sell over here.
When you will take 5 to 6 trades daily on Binance exchange by analyzing crypto market through TradingView using indicators, you'll make $100 or even more. But remember please, I'm not a financial advisor, so please manage your risk to reward ratio according to your budget. I hope you guys did like this informative video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.